What's up, Bobcats?
I'm Drake.
And I'm Jake.
And welcome to
The Sage. Our first package is an in-depth look at In-N-Out,
some strange questions asked to the Sage Freak students,
new information on Sage sports,
and interviews on the freshman election candidates. I'm hungry. Should we get some fast food?
Well, speaking of fast food, Skylar, Makena, and I are interviewing people who work and eat at In-N-Out.
Yes, 7, please, 7.
Here in Carlsbad, there are many hidden treasures that locals are sure to love, but a gem that's not so secret is In-N-Out, a go-to restaurant for any Californian. Today we went down to our local In-N-Out off Interstate 5 to get a behind-the-scenes look at this SoCal staple. Sage Creek student and In-N-Out employee Nathan Keene expressed how he views the work environment at In-N-Out.
I think it's really great. It's really fast-paced, so you're always doing something, and it's never really boring. You don't just stand there and do nothing. And everyone's really nice and supportive, so you'll always have someone to talk to or guests to take care of or something to refill.
Not only is the work environment top tier, but In-N-Out employees believe that this food chain plays a crucial role in Carlsbad's community.
So the reason why I believe that In-N-Out is super special to Carlsbad is because it's, In-N-Out. You come in and out of the store, you get your burgers, you get your fries, you get your shake. Quality service that's been around since 1993 and in terms of Carlsbad.
In-N-Out customers, old and young alike, agree that it's the place to be if you live in Carlsbad or just in town visiting.
Yeah, I think the staff at In-N-Out and the service is exceptional.
What I think about In-N-Out that's good is the plain cheeseburgers and the fries.
This used to be our number one stop when we got into town, but now we have them in Colorado, so.
What I like about In-N-Out is probably their burgers and crispy fries.
So we can all agree we keep coming back to In-N-Out for a reason, whether it be the great food, service, or family-like community. This is Skylar Roy, Makena Coleman, and Jacob Householder reporting for The Sage.
Man, I think I drank too much.
Do you have to go to the bathroom?
Well, yes, but here's Marisa and Sebastian interviewing people on the street.
Hey Bobcats, I'm Marisa.
And I'm Sebastian.
And today we're asking people what they really do when they go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom, but I also fix my hair.
What? What do you really do when you ask to go to the bathroom?
I usually just go to the bathroom and then come straight back to class.
Can you confirm that?
Yes.
Are you lying to me?
No. Scroll on my phone.
Are you talking about number 1 or 2?
Just what do you really do when you ask to go to the bathroom?
When I ask, I say I have to go poo.
Do you really do that?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Text my mom to pick me up.
Oh, that's a good one. I actually use the restroom. I don't like using the restroom at school, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sometimes I'll ask for my teacher if I could go to the bathroom, and I just go to the gym. I get a quick pump, and I come back, look better than ever, and I'm ready to learn.
Wow.
Hang out with me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to the bathroom. Are you sure about that? Yeah. Okay.
I talked to Courtney.
I watch TikToks.
I just leave and go to the bathroom.
Anywhere specific?
I walk around the school.
I go on my phone.
Thank you, Bobcats. Those were some interesting answers. Let's send it back to the anchors.
What's a ghost's favorite position in soccer? A goalkeeper.
You disappoint me.
Anyways, here's the sports segment with Juliette and Brian.
Hey Bobcats, this is Brian Baldner bringing you sports for this week. Tomorrow, girls volleyball will play against Carlsbad for a league game, and on Tuesday they will play against Canyon Crest Academy at home. Cross country has the Coastal Cluster meet on Friday at La Costa Valley. Tomorrow, tennis will play at La Costa Canyon. Next Tuesday, tennis will have an away game versus Torrey Pines. Tuesday, golf has a home game versus El Camino. Thursday, boys beach volleyball will play Pacific Ridge at Ponto Beach. Make sure to come out and support your fellow Bobcats. You can purchase your tickets on GoFan.com or with an ASB sticker. That's all for this week. Sending it back to the anchors.
You know what I don't like about sports?
What?
Running. for president. Here's Nadia, Nick, and Brian interviewing Miss Tapia and some freshman election candidates.
Freshman class council elections are here, giving the class of 2026 one of many opportunities to get involved at Sage Creek. ASB Director Valerie Tapia provides additional insight.
Freshman class can vote beginning September 28th. And so it opens up an advisory. The videos will air during advisory, and then it will open immediately after advisory, and all freshmen can vote for every office that is up, which is president and vice president, secretary, and treasurer. So campaigning, you'll likely have seen students campaigning already, and it'll run through the end of the week because we close voting on Friday the 30th at 3:30.
Freshmen look forward to election results amidst campaigning, even noting a couple of attributes they look for in a candidate.
Most likely someone who would actually care for the student body, who actually understands the direction that everyone wants the school to go in, and someone who actually has the motivation and lack of procrastination to actually get things done.
I'd look for someone who's honest and caring about the community, someone maybe well known by all the students, someone who's enthusiastic about clubs and any other sports.
Vote on Minga. If you are not yet registered for Minga, you want to make sure you get in there, make sure you're in the freshman class, and then the polls will be aired only to the freshman class.
This has been Nick Cepek, Nadia, Razzaq, and Brian Baldner reporting for The Sage.
Here's a special announcement. Before we go, I want to give a quick shout out to our custodians! They've worked so hard to keep our campus how it is today.
You know how the campus is perfect when you walk in?
That's because they work so diligently all day, every day. Make sure you honor our custodians during National Custodian Day
on October 2nd.
I got no more jokes to say.
Well, thank you for joining us this week.
We're publishing daily articles at Sage News, so be sure to check out Sage.
Stay up to date by following us at The Sage Publication on Instagram and Twitter as well.
This has been Drake
and Jake reporting for The Sage.